Hey everybody, Mr. Sutch here, Principal Alexis Park. I'm just sitting here with Mr. Maccagno, Vice Principal. Boys and girls, may the 4th be with you. Happy Star Wars Day. We miss you. Welcome to our second virtual assembly. I'd just like to take a minute to recognize that we do have the privilege of working and learning and practicing social distancing and really good hand wash etiquette on the unceded territory of the Okanagan Nation. Boys and girls, we hope that you're taking time to keep in touch with your teachers, in touch with your classmates, and continuing to take on the challenges with the learning opportunities your teachers have been providing with you. We've been continuing to do some learning here at the school, inspired by the egg drop in our last assembly. And Mr. Maccagno and I decided, let's try out some different trick shots. So without further ado, here comes Principal Perfect style trick shots.
Oh, hello everyone. Notice this beautiful stick. It is going to help me hit the top right corner on the first try. Yeah, that's right.
Let's go! Hey everybody, this is Bolt, Principal Perfect style. Hey! Woohoo! Let's go!
Sometimes I think basketball is just too easy.
Oh yeah, easy.
Yeah! Oh! Thought that was easy?
Granny shot!
Hey, Mr. Sutch, can you do this? Boo.
Aww, the little vice principal learned how to play the drums!
How about this? For all you Dr. Dre fans. That's all I got.
You think that was good? Yeah! Check this out. Nailed it. Hi everybody, Mr. Sutch here. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just sitting here with Mr. Maccagno. Mr. Maccagno, how long have you been playing the drums in all seriousness?
In all seriousness, I've only been playing for 1 week, and it was you that taught me. I've always wanted to play the drums, I've always wanted to learn how to play the drums, but I never got to it until just this week. So what you've seen on that clip is just practice. I've been practicing every day. I even borrowed Mr. Sutch's drum set and took it home, and I feel like I'm getting better every day. And I think that's what the message message I want to send to you is that any time you practice and invest energy, effort, and focus, you will improve your skills. So if you're focused on reading skills, you're going to improve as a reader. If you focus on writing skills, you're going to improve as a writer. I want you to continue to focus and practice on the things that you can do to improve yourself. Right now, I am continuing to practice many things, but one of them is the drums. So stay tuned, we'll see how good I can get and how much I can improve.
So speaking of practice, boys and girls, here's a great opportunity for you. Sometime in the near future, you're going to hear an announcement from Mrs. Huggins that we have an upcoming virtual talent show. So if you'd like to start thinking about what new skill you would like to practice, please figure that out and wait for more information from Mrs. Huggins. Okay, everybody, that wraps up our second virtual assembly. We hope you're still taking time at home to practice social distancing. Really good 20 seconds with soap and warm water hand washing. We'll look forward to seeing you back here hopefully sooner than later.
Please take care.
And don't forget, start practicing for the talent show. We miss you.